Alright, I got this with Canada Ammos. Oh my god, it's the end of the world kit. I think it's called Spam Can. And I think this is the way you use the tool, but I'm not 100%. Try this way. Okay. Success. And around we go. I think that's good enough. Nice. Well, not nice. It looks moldy. 1995. It's got a smell to it, like, I don't know, like paint thinner or something? I don't know what that would be. Hmm? .223s. There's a lot of them. Yeah, there is a pile of them. I cannot wait to get out. Alright. Here it is. If I can find my scissors. Ta-da. So this is Canada Ammo's End of the World kit. I got my ammo yesterday. And today, this came in. Just a little bit of tape. Well now, nice and clean, brand new. Okay, there we go. Now that I got into this thing, all of this was in it. Gun, some literature for later. Now this, I know what this is. Now that's a knife. That's a cool kind of metal, whatever it is, I don't know. CanadaAmmo.com. Nice rubber grip. Very cool. But this is what I've been waiting for here. Sad I put the knife away to use the scissors to open this. Oh look, I got the same magazine twice. One for Christopher. Hello there, beautiful. It's actually smaller than I thought it would be. They always throw in all these little extras. I know what they are. We'll get to those after. This is what I really want. Lots of oil in the bag. Take some time to clean it. Yes, sir. Beautiful. Beautiful. Nice little gun. I love it. So it's got lots of oil. You need a real good clean up first. That's it. Oh. And I love it.